Hi boys and girls, welcome back. Today we're going to do our final science lesson for this week. You have been collecting your temperature, excuse me, and your weather pictures every day. And so today, after you've listened to me read to you from the classroom, you're going to use your journal writing page. And it's this green one, and it looks blank, and you write your name up above. There's a spot for a picture, and then the lines below. But what I want you to do is write something very specific today. Today we're writing about weather, okay? So I did this as an example, but some of it I want you to copy, okay? So I wrote my name up here, Mrs. Anderson, and then I came down here and wrote, what I want you to write today is what's the weather today, and what you think or how do you predict the weather will be tomorrow, okay? We've been thinking about weather for a few days now. We've been putting the pictures on our calendars. We've been thinking and finding out about temperature. So we can probably predict based on the last couple of days what tomorrow will be like. So I want everybody to write on their paper, today the weather is, and then I want you to think about what was the weather, how would you describe the weather? And I put cold and windy, period. And then I want you to tell me how you predict the weather will be tomorrow. I predict tomorrow will, and I put be rainy, okay? So I want you to tell me what the weather is like today and what you think or how you predict the weather will be tomorrow. So 2 sentences, okay? And boys and girls, remember when we're writing our sentences, we always have to start with a capital letter and make sure you have 1 or 2 finger spacing in between your words, okay? And just check it. You can always stop and make sure you're putting your spaces in between. We end all of our sentences with a period. And remember, don't ask mom and dad how to spell things. I want you to try to hear the words. How do you hear the words, okay? Do the very best you can. Remember, today the weather is, and I predict or I think the weather will be, right? You have to fill in those details. And then when you come back, I want you to, or when you're done writing, I want you to draw a picture, and the picture should match what you wrote about. So I said today is cold and windy, and I drew a picture. This is my little whirls of wind, and you can see it's just knocking down those flowers. It's really strong wind. So that's how I did. So you make yours your own. Lots of detail in your pictures and making sure that you're writing those complete sentences as best you can. Okay, good luck.